If you've ever been fortunate enough to own an Alaskan Malamute who likes to eat stuff that isn't food and then vomit something the size of an ocean onto your floor while you're gone, to where when you come home, you have to use a carpet cleaner vacuum to vacuum it all up on your tile floor, then this is your best friend for disinfectant. By the way, this Lysol all purpose cleaner is lemon breeze scented to help cover up the stink. But eventually, when you have to use it so much, it starts becoming one with the stink. But it smells good before then. If you have company coming over in 20 minutes and you need a quick clean and you need it to smell good, grab the Lysol. Kid touched something questionable? Grab the Lysol. Kitchen counter looking suspicious? Yep. It cleans fast, smells fresh and lemony without smelling too chemical heavy, and it's ready for everyday wipe downs around the house. I like that it cuts through grease and grime without needing a ton of scrubbing, and it's one of the staple products I always keep around because life in a busy house gets gross real fast. And unfortunately, we no longer have the Malamute with us, but let's just say we will always remember Lysol for what it has helped us clean. But with that being said, Lysol has been with us through an Alaskan Malamute, a miniature pincher, 4 babies into toddlers, into children, and now into teenage years, and a pandemic. So, cheers to you, Lysol. Fist bump it. Psh.